Do you feel like your videos get lost on YouTube, like nobody's seeing you? Well, in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can stand out on YouTube as a small YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamika, and on this channel, I teach you how to rank your videos in search, get more views, get more subscribers. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. So one of the things that you want to do to stand out on YouTube is to get recommended by YouTube. Get recommended, get suggested by YouTube. If your videos are recommended and suggested by YouTube, that simply means that more people are going to be seeing your videos, more people are going to be learning about your channel. I know your next question. But Tamika, how do I get YouTube to push out my videos? And the short answer is, get better retention on your videos, get better engagement on your videos. So when YouTube sees that people are actually enjoying your videos, and they know that by how long people watch your videos, that's audience retention, they're gonna keep on pushing out your videos. And also, they know by the likes, the dislikes, and the comments, that engagement on your videos. That is when YouTube is going to start recommending and suggesting your videos, because they see that, okay, people are actually liking it. The next way to stand out on YouTube is to be yourself. Sounds crazy, right? But believe it or not, there are people out there, whenever they pull out this camera, they're a whole new different person, because they feel like people aren't going to accept them for who they are, so they have to put on a different persona. But listen, you can only be you. There's only one you. So if you be yourself, that's enough to stand out. Chances are when you pretend to be somebody else that you're not, then there's another person out there that has that personality that you're trying to replicate, so their chances are that's gonna be two of you. But if you be yourself, there can only be one of you, and that's enough to stand out. So if you have a real vibrant or bubbly personality, or if you feel like twerking, twerk away, honey. Listen, your subscribers are out there for you. Your crowd are out there for you. Just be patient and continue being you. Do not change a thing about you to please nobody. You get me? Continue being yourself. Your crowd is out there for you. Tip number 3, don't spread yourself too thin. A lot of small YouTubers, they have a YouTube channel, but yet they're trying to grow their Instagram, they're trying to grow their Facebook, they're trying to grow their Twitter. Some of them even start a new YouTube channel. That's a big mistake. If you're doing the right things to grow your channel, and I have to say if you're doing the right things to grow your channel, because there are a lot of YouTubers out there that feel like they just film something and throw it up on YouTube and they're good to go. No. If you're doing YouTube the right way, it is very time consuming. So to try and grow 2 channels at the same time, that's hard. That is hard. I'm not saying that it cannot be done, but that's you spreading yourself too thin. You're going to get burnout and you're going to get discouraged so fast, because you're going to look at both channels and be like, oh my God, I have 2 channels and none of them aren't doing well. If you just focus, put all your attention and your time on one channel, one social media platform at a time. So drop the Instagram and the Twitter and all the others and focus on the one that's more important to you. I have an Instagram page, and to be honest, if you notice on here, I don't even promote my Instagram because I do not have the time on my hand to be active over there as much, because I put all my time and my effort into my YouTube channel. That's what I'm doing. So focus on one thing at a time. YouTube is a very competitive platform. So to stand out on YouTube, you have to try to be the best. There are so many videos and so many other people in the niche that you're in. So if you're not the best, then what's gonna happen? You're gonna fall to the bottom of the barrel. Try and focus on one thing at a time. When you gain traction in that one thing, then you can move on to the next. If you notice, the big YouTubers, whenever they get to 100,000 or more subscribers, that is when they start another channel. So take a page out of their book. If you have less than 60,000, 70,000 subscribers, I don't think it's a good idea to actually start a new channel, because you're going to get burnout real fast and discouraged. Before we move on to the next tip, if you're getting value from this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. That's going to let YouTube know that you're enjoying the video, and it also keeps me motivated. To stand out on YouTube, you want to have an expert knowledge in something. You want your channel to be the one that people gravitate to find answer to a particular question. So for example, I've positioned myself as an expert in YouTube growth and advice. It's not like I went to school for it or anything, but I studied a niche. I learned from other people's mistakes. I watch videos, I read books. And now I have the knowledge to help other people grow their channel who are literally just a few steps behind me, but they're looking for answers and a guide to go further, faster in growing their YouTube channel. And I prod myself into doing so. I make sure that every time I pull out this camera, I'm bringing value to you guys. All of my videos, I tell you, I do not do surface research. I dig deep, because I want my contents to be different from everybody else. I want my contents to be, I want it to stand out. So I don't just look at other people's topics and just go with it. I dig deep for answers that you guys probably never heard of in somebody else's video. That's how I do it, because I want my videos to be value packed for you. So to become an expert, just ask yourself, what are you really good at that you could help other people with? Figure out what exact problem you could give the solution to or be the solution to. Whenever you do this, this helps you to focus on a very specific audience that are looking for a specific answer. That is how you stand out on YouTube. So don't try to make contents for everybody. Chances are you're going to reach nobody. Try to be very specific about your content and not be a generalist. So let me know in the comments who's your target audience and what's your channel about. I'd love to know. And remember, stay humble, keep hustling. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.